A room with a view of the whole city. Fashion luxury, that's what he's got pretty.
I would like to warmly welcome you to the St. Regis Hotel in Venice with small, nice gifts that bring me, as the host, a lot of joy. And here we go. A special highlight of my visit to this hotel was that I opened a bottle of champagne by myself for the very first time. The classic ritual of the St. Regis Hotel when the bottle of champagne is popped. And this time, I got to do it. I must say, it surprised me so much. And let's see, it worked right on the first try. It was really fantastic, a great idea that one can also experience something like this as a guest. I personally always enjoy being the spectator in this case because it is nice to experience this ritual. And here at the St. Regis Hotel, it was just the same that I, as a guest, was allowed to open the bottle. It brought me joy, so here we go. And with that, a warm welcome to a brutally honest hotel review here at the St. Regis in Venice. And because it was such a very interesting new experience, I would like to tell you about a great hotel with fantastic staff. I first booked the hotel, flew to Venice with Air Dolomiti, and was then picked up directly at the airport entrance by the driver of the Sand, Regis Hotel, who took me directly in a nice little limousine to the boat dock. And I must say, it was enjoyable because, first of all, there are different ways to get to Venice. You can, of course, go on foot, you can travel by train, or you can take the train. But, of course, the most beautiful way to do it is by boat. And this adventure was so wonderful that doing it was worth every cent. And so I travelled to Venice by boat for the first time, passing through the lagoon city, through the small, sweet, dreamy canals, then under these little bridges, until I finally arrived relaxed at the St. Regis Hotel. I saw the Regis Hotel in the distance. Then the boat went there, docked, and the staff came out to greet me, saying, "Welcome, Mr. Schroeder." I must say, this is really fantastic. And then it goes relatively quickly to the check-in, which takes place very comfortably. So this kind of speed, but also a special luxury. And luxury is not just about being fast, but also about being comfortable. I must say, brought me joy. From the boat directly to check-in, and from check-in directly to the suite. I was extremely happy about it because I had booked a regular deluxe room and was then upgraded as an ambassador member to a deluxe suite. And I was very pleased about the upgrade because the suite is small but nice. One can certainly say, okay, one expects more space from a suite, but that is certainly a problem in Venice. Of course, one could have paid a bit more attention during the expansion of the hotel to make the suites a little larger, but still, they are just perfect for an overnight stay, whether you are traveling alone or with two people. And because I naturally thought about the prices at the St. Regis Hotel, I wondered, well, does everything have to be so expensive? One understands, of course, that first of all, you are in Venice. This city is expensive and there is nothing for free and 1,000. It is also about saying that I would like to experience a hotel that offers a certain standard and luxury. And this St. Regis Hotel here in Venice provides everything one needs. It starts with fantastic staff, and it continues with the quality as the products are of high quality. This begins with breakfast and extends to dinner. Everything you really experience here is of high quality. Then the outdoor terraces, sitting there in the evening, in the morning. Incredibly beautiful. I had an incredible amount of fun. And so, I experienced this champagne ritual once, which was particularly great. I encountered these gigantic staff members. The rooms are clean. Of course, there is dust and small things that one could certainly criticize, but I was positively surprised because, at a price category starting from $2,000 per normal room, I naturally have to expect cleanliness. So when I come to such an expensive hotel, I want to be pampered here as well. And I was pampered. I stayed for 2 nights, enjoyed 2 nights of pleasure, and dined lavishly here. I was truly impressed by the fantastic staff here who complement each other as a team, and a new team is really forming. This includes the service in the restaurant, the quality of the food, the quality of the hotel's furnishings, and the ability to book things, such as the taxi from the airport to here and then back again. All these things I was helped with, and that was particularly nice because it allowed me to truly enjoy the trip and my stay 100%. And enjoyment is truly emphasized in this hotel. There is really not much criticism to be found regarding this hotel, as it is a great pleasure to book here from the very beginning. It is a great joy to enjoy the stay here, to experience experience the staff and the entire management process as well. Of course, this gigantic, fantastic butler service too. They do a good job here. I really like having chamomile tea when I arrive. When the chamomile tea came to the room, I wanted my shirts ready for the evening so that I would look well pressed for dinner. 2 hours later, the shirts and pants were all neatly pressed, so I looked elegant. Well, I can only say, a great pleasure, an expensive hotel, but worth every cent. High quality with everything that comes with it. I was personally incredibly satisfied. And even if it was a little bit more expensive, I clearly say you don't treat yourself to anything else. These are the reaches, and now for you, so you can see what I was talking about, a nice tour of the hotel and have a lot of fun.
I just wanna go further. You don't let me hold me, obeyed you, obeyed you, yeah. Give me away, you stole me. Let me lick 'cause I'm full and need it. I need it. I'm so tired of this, I'm tired of the fights, I'm tired of the pressure. I don't wanna go wherever you go, 'cause love is so wasted. And you're gonna make fist, and I don't want to feel like an heartbreak, but I'm so tired of this, I'm tired of the fights, I'm tired of the pressure.